Hey, everybody! I'm back with you again on the MaxBot channel. I earn with the help of a robot with a passability of 89 to 95%. I give you 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you can buy the full version of this tool at a discount of 90% and work without limits. There are 10 places left on this discount. Link in the description. And now I'll use his signals in front of you. I start working with the currency pair Canadian dollar, Swiss franc OTC. Time frame 2 minutes. 2 keystrokes in the robot's menu and it promptly gives a signal. Higher. You need to click on the green button on the broker's website. Entry point $300. After purchasing the bot, you will get to the VIP chat, where market analytics is conducted. There our team analyzes various market situations and shares fresh signals. And now you can see on the screen the feedback of traders who have already pumped up their trading strategy with the help of artificial intelligence. They use MaxBot to maximize their profits. And while the trade is going on, I want to start telling you about how to read and use the economic calendar. Reading and using an economic calendar is integral to trading currency pairs. An economic calendar lists the dates and times of all the economic indicators that are due to be released, as well as other important economic events. For options traders, who must predict market movements within a fixed time frame, the economic calendar is a vital tool. Understanding an economic calendar. An economic calendar provides information on upcoming economic events, government reports, and forecasts that can affect the markets. It includes date and time, when the report or event will be released or occur. Currency. Which currency it will most likely impact. Importance. Indicated by icons such as bulls or stars, with more symbols representing greater potential market impact. Event. The name of the economic indicator or event. Previous, the last reported figure. Forecast. What economists are predicting for the upcoming report. Actual. The figure released, updated after the report comes out. Meanwhile, the trade ends in a sideways movement much higher than our entry point. This means that the robot's signal was accurate. $276 were deposited to the real account. Let's keep working. Now I will choose another option out of 27 currency pairs, which are presented in the bot menu. I will work with the variant US dollar, Canadian dollar OTC. I will increase the market entry amount to $500. The bot is able to triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will quickly pay for itself. Neural networks instantly scan the situation and make a recommendation. Higher. We are running a comment contest on our channel. You can win $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write 1 comment on trading topics. I choose 1 winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important training information that will help you quickly develop your skills. Good luck to everyone. How to read an economic calendar. Prioritize events. Not all events are equally significant. Focus on high-impact events, which are more likely to move the market. Understand the event. Know what each event represents and why it's important for the economy. For instance, employment data can signal economic health, which can affect central bank decisions and currency strength. Check the forecast. The market often moves according to whether the actual data is better or worse than what was forecasted, rather than the data itself. Monitor the previous figures. Compare the actual data to the previous figures to gauge the trend or change in economic performance. Prepare for volatility. High-impact events can lead to market volatility. As an options trader, you can use this volatility to make trades based on market movements. Timing your trades. Execute trades around high-impact events when the market is likely to move. For instance, if a non-farm payroll report is better than expected, you might expect the USD to strengthen and place an option trade accordingly. So, here comes the second positive result thanks to an accurate prediction from artificial intelligence. My real account received $460. As you can see, working on this structure, working together with the neural network, you have a real opportunity to become millionaires. The bot knows everything that the developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. And now I will work with the currency pair Swiss franc, Japanese yen OTC. I double the amount of investment. $1,000. Press the keys in the menu carefully so that there is no misclick. A new signal from neural networks, on higher. News trading strategy. Some traders prefer to wait until the news is released and place trades based on the market's reaction to the actual figures, using the short timeframes available in options to capture quick profits. Avoiding risk. If your strategy involves avoiding risk, you might choose not to trade during high-impact news releases due to the unpredictability of market movements during these times. Correlating events with market trends. Look for patterns in how certain events affect currency pairs and apply this knowledge to your trading strategy. Risk management with an economic calendar. Adjust trade sizes. Before a major economic release, consider reducing your trade size to manage the risk associated with increased volatility. Diversification. Spread your trades across different currency pairs to avoid concentrated risk around a single event. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and analysis to understand the broader context of economic events and their potential impact on the markets. Continuous learning and adaptation. After each event, review the market's response to the actual figures and compare this to the forecasted figures. Over time, you may see patterns that can inform future trades. Backtesting. Use historical data to see how the market has responded to similar events in the past. Economic calendars are constantly updated as new data and events are announced. Check your economic calendar daily. An economic calendar is a powerful tool for options traders, offering a way to harness economic events for trading opportunities. A successful trader not only reads the calendar but also understands the underlying economic indicators and how they can affect the markets. So, here's another plus. $870. Total profit for today, $1,606. It's all thanks to the robot. Thanks for watching. Trade with the help of our bot at maximum. See you soon.